I'm cooking with Chris, and this is my keto-friendly chicken chorizo chili with all the toppings. So in the Dutch oven, we'll start with some Mexican chorizo. We're going to render it down until it gets a nice, deep, dark red. It starts to get just a little bit crispy. Then we'll throw in some spices. Cumin, smoked paprika, and chipotle chili powder. Oregano, salt, and pepper. We'll stir in the spices and wake them up a little bit before adding 1 can of roasted green chilies. And then some chicken broth. You want to bring this to a simmer and let it go for a good 5 minutes. So a little tip here, something that I didn't realize, some chicken broths have carbs and some chicken broths do not have carbs, so make sure you check the label. I personally like using Better Than Bouillon because it's got a ton of flavor, but it's got carbs. So I just went with a box stock because it didn't have any carbs, and when it comes to flavor is definitely not something we will be missing in this chili. So the bland chicken broth ends up being okay. And then we'll go ahead and throw in our chicken pre-cooked. You could use a rotisserie chicken, some leftover chicken. I like to sous vide a boneless, skinless chicken breast and use that. We'll simmer for another 5 minutes or so. Then we'll kill the heat and we'll start making this super creamy. First, 4 ounces of cream cheese. And then some heavy cream. Make sure the brand you use is 0 carbs, by the way. And some sour cream. You'll see the color change pretty much instantly as soon as we start stirring this in. So at this point, you're basically ready to serve. Now, if you wanted to thicken it up a little bit, you could use a keto-friendly thickener like xanthan gum if you wanted to. This would be the point to go ahead and add that in. But I am going to hit it with a little bit of cilantro. And then we'll get to the best part of any chili recipe, the toppings. We're going to paint the picture here with a little cheddar cheese, a dollop or a squeeze of sour cream, definitely more cilantro for you cilantro lovers out there, and for a little crunch and extra spice, some raw jalapeños, and a sprinkling of tomatoes. Super creamy, hella flavor. A big satisfying serving of chicken chorizo chili. I'm cooking with Chris. Make sure to subscribe and like the video so YouTube knows you're hungry for more.